Hello my dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are okay. Alhamdulillah, me too. I, Shahrina Hussain, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Class 4, English version, Sector 7, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I will take an online mathematics class from fraction chapter 8. Dears, hope you are ready for the class. Hurriedly take your all necessary things as like your book, copy, pen, etc. Do you ready for the class? Okay. Before starting class, I will do some previous lesson as a review. From page number 94. Problem number 3. Finding the missing number. Five by 8 equals to 30 by blank box. So how can you do the math? Can you do by yourself? Inshallah, hope so. So just look on the board and match with me, okay? Or now I am doing the cross multiplication. From this numerator and that side, this is the portion of the denominator. Now I will multiply it. 5 multiplied by box, then 8 multiplied by 30. Again or now 5 multiplied by box, then 8 multiplied by 30. Our answer is 8 zeros are 0, then 8 threes are 2, 24. Okay. Now we know in this process, now I can shift the number 5 from left side to right side. Okay. So if we exchange the position of the digit, this time its sign has also changed. So box is here. Now 240, sign is division, divide sign, divide 5. Why there is the sign is division? Because before 5 we know it is the multiplication sign. For that reason, when we are shifting the digit, that sign has also changed. Now box is equal to, so what will be the answer? We can do rough here. 5 divided by 240. So 4 5s are 20, 5 8s are 40. So our answer is 48. That's mean, so 5 by 8 is equal to 30 by 48. And our answer is that. Answer 30 by 48. Done. Problem now 4. Reduce the given fraction. Supposed to be, here we can take 32 by 36. How can we do? We can do rough here. At first we will find the factors of 32. So 2 6 in the 32, then 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4. So another one, Now 36, 2 18 is 36, 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9. So we got the factors of 32 and 36. That's mean 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 2 into 3 into 3. Now just see the board. We can cut which digits are matching. These digits we can cut. 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Here is no number we can cut. So answer is here what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So my answer is 8/9. Okay. By this way we can find the reducing fraction. Students, let's come to the today's regular lesson. At first open your book. Go to page number 97. Page number 97. And problem now 1. Page is 97. Now I will start by doing number 4. Number 4. Here 1/3, 2/5, then third bracket. In this math we will do convert into fractions with common denominators. That's mean whatever they are giving the fraction, we will make the denominators common both. Here see 1/3 and 2/5. Both denominator is different. After doing calculation we will make it common denominators. Now how can we do the calculation? Let's come. Write solution. Here 3 and 5 both are denominators. Denominators are 3 and 5. So the LCM is, that's mean least common multiple is. Now we will find the LCM. So how can you find the LCM? 3 and 5 both are prime number. When numbers are prime number, that time we will multiply directly to find the LCM. So 3 into 5. Now it is 15. Now whatever we are getting the LCM, this LCM now we divide by this denominator. That means first fraction's denominator, and our first denominator is 3. So if we divide 15 by 3, my answer is 5. Now I will multiply the finding answer with the whole fraction. 1 into 5, then 3 into 5. So I will get the fraction 5. Numerator is 5 and denominator is 15. Now again 15 divided by this denominator, and this is what? 5. 5 equals to, that's mean 15 divide by 5. So my answer is 3. Now again we will multiply the whole fraction with this answer. That's mean 2 into 3, then 5 into 3. So now I will get 3 2s are 6 numerator, and denominator is 3 5s are 15. So What is the answer? Now my answer is that mean after doing the calculation, we will find the common denominator. See, both are the now common. Here 5 by 15 and here in downside 6 by 15. So by this way we can easily get the common denominators. 6 by 15. Done. This is the answer. Now second one. Go to number 10. At first I rub the board. Number 10. This math also same way we will find the common denominators, but this one has the 3 fractions. First one is 1 by 3, sorry, now number 10. This math also the same process. By same way we will find the answer, but number 10 has 3 fractions. First one is 3 by 5, then 3 by 4, then 7 by 10. Now let's see how can we find the common denominators of these 3 fractions. Denominators are 5, 4, 10. 5, 4 and at last 10. Now we will find the LCM. Here we can do the rough. 5, 4 then 10. See, there is the both even number 4 and 10. So we can easily divide by 2. 5 is here, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again, now we can divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, then 2, 5 1s are 5. That's mean our LCM is equal to 20. Okay. So LCM is 20. Now whatever I am getting the LCM 20, now this LCM we divide by 5. 20 divide by 5. My answer is 4. Now I will multiply 3 into 4, 5 into 4. That's mean 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Now 20 divide by this denominator 4. I will get 5. Again I will multiply the whole fraction. 3 into 5, 4 into 5. So 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Now last one, 20 divide by 10, my answer is 2. Again we will multiply 7 into 2, then 10 into 2. So my answer is 14 by 20. Student, if you observe the things, just see here all denominators are same. Okay, numerators are the different 12, 15, 14, but denominators are common. All are the common. So my answer is, so now our answer is 3 by 5, 3 by 4, 7 by 10, then 12 by 20, 15 by 20, 14 by 20. Done. I hope you can do this math easily. Students, now I will do problem number 2. Let's come to the board. Problem number 2. Convert into the fractions with common denominators and compare with the symbols smaller, greater or equal. So, number 4. 1 by 16, then blank box, 17 by 24. How can we compare? Yes, for comparing the both fractions, at first we have to make the denominators common. We know when denominators are common, that time we can easily find out we can easily compare the fractions by observing, by following the numerators. Okay, so let's come, how can we do the math? Here denominators are 16 and 24. So, the LCM is, that means least common multiple is, you can find the LCM by doing the calculation. So, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. So, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Now, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Here is another 2, excuse me. So, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Okay, fine. Now it is the LCM. 48, we are getting the LCM 48. Now 48 we divide by this denominator. Now answer is 3. 3 16s are 48. After that we multiplying with the whole fraction. 3, then 16 into 3. Now 3 11s are 33, then 3 16s are 48. Again we will divide 24. So answer is 2. Now 17 multiplied by 2, then 24 multiplied by 2. That means 34, then 24, 48. Okay, that means 24 2s are 48. If you observe the answer, see 48 and 48 both are equal denominators. Numerator is different. First one is 33, second one is 34, but denominators are same. When denominators are same, this time it is easy for us to find the which fraction is smaller, bigger or equal. Okay. So, therefore 33 by 48, then box, then 34 by 48. So, can you guess which one is the bigger? Yes, you are right. That means 34 by 48 is bigger. That means 33 by 48 is smaller than 34 by 48. So answer is 11 by 16 is smaller than 17 by 24, and this is the answer. That's mean smaller sign. Okay, by this way we can find the answer. Students, now turn your page. Go to page number 98, exercise 8.7. Now we will do addition. Number 2. Here 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Box, they are giving the all box, we will fill up it. Okay, now solution. Students, if you observe, see 1 by 4 and 2 by 5, they are giving two fraction for adding, but both denominators are different. Here is 4, this one is 5. So at first we will find the LCM. Okay. So how can we find the LCM? To do the sum calculation. Here 4 and 5, 4 is composite number and 5 is prime number. So we have to multiply to finding the LCM. 4 5s are 20. That's mean 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5. So I got the LCM 20. So I'll put in the both denominator position, LCM is 20. Now how can we find the upper number? That's mean numerator. Now we will do the sum calculation. LCM, at first we divide by 4. 4 divide by 20. 4 5s are 20. Okay. By these 5, now I will multiply by the numerator. 1 into 5. So 5. So my answer is here. I will put there 5. Same thing I will do that in that corner. Okay. Then 5 4s are 20. Now I will multiply by this 4 with 2. 2 into 4. So 8. So my answer is here 8. So now we can write over there, we can add 5 plus 8 is 13, and there is the both are the same. So denominator is 20. Okay. So now my answer is 13 by 20. Number 4. Number 4 is 1 by 8 plus 5 by 6 equals to, as usual, box plus box, then box, the downside also box. So solution, at first we will find the LCM of given denominators. Plus box, then box, equals to sign, then box. Okay. Now we will do the rough here. 8 and 6 both are the composite and even number. So we can easily do the rough. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Then okay, we cannot do more. So 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, then 6 4s are 24. That's mean our LCM is 24. We got the LCM 24. So in the both position, that's mean in the denominator both side, we can write 24 and 24. Now we will divide 24 by this denominator. So 8 3s are 24. Then we are getting here 1, numerator is 1. So 1 multiplied by 3, then 3 1s are 3. That's mean upper portion in that side, numerator there is the 3. The same thing here, 24 divided by 6. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Then again we multiplied by, here is the 5 into 4, so answer is 20. So our answer is 20. So in that side, lower portion, that's mean denominator we will write there 24, and upper portion we will add 3 plus 20, it is 23. So our answer is 23 by 24. Okay, by this way we can do the addition. Students, after completing the addition, now I will show subtraction. Same exercise 8.7, page number 99. Number 3. Here they are giving the fraction 2 by 3 minus and 2 by 5. Then box minus box, then box. How can you do the solution? At first we will find the LCM of given denominators. So there in this math we have seen 3 and 5 both are the prime number. So we cannot find the LCM except doing the multiplication. So at first we multiply the both number. 3 into 5 equals to 15. Okay. Now we got the LCM 15. That's mean the both fraction, the downside, in the denominator place we write there 15. Okay. Now we divide 15 by 3 at first, then 5. 5 3s are 15, so 0. Now we multiply 2 into 5 equals to 10. So here numerator is 10. In the second one, 15 divided by 5, 3 5s are 15. So again we multiplied by 2 with this 3. 3 into 2 is a 6. That's mean here is the 6. So in that place, that's mean in the denominator's place, we write there 15, and now we subtract 10 minus 6. My answer is 4. Very good. So we get the answer by doing the calculation. 4 by 15. Number 4. Here fraction is 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Then box, then box. Okay, box by box. Solution. If you are observing 8 and 4, there is the two numbers, two denominators, both are even and composite. So we can easily find the LCM by doing the calculation. So LCM is just 8, then 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2 2s are 4, then 1, 2 into 2 into 2, that's mean 8. 8 is the LCM. Now 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So in that place we are writing there 8, that's in denominator. We are getting same thing, common denominators both are. Now here also we will find the answer as usual. At first we divide 8. When we divide 8 by 8, answer will be 1. So 1 3 is a 3 in that place. And if we divide 8 by 4, 2, 2 4 is a 8. We are getting 2. So 2 1 is a 2. Now if we subtract 3 minus 2, answer will be 1. That means our answer 1 by 8. Done. This feedback session. Number A. Do the addition and subtraction. At first addition, 1 by 6 plus 2 by 9. And number B, this is 7 by 10, then minus 4 by 15. Do the math by yourself. I will give you time, just try. Try your level best to do it. Can you do? Okay, now let's come match with me. Addition is there. At first we will find the LCM by doing the graph. In the right side corner we can use for our graph. 6 and 9 both are composite number. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So our LCM is 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So we are getting the LCM 18, then 18. At first we divide 18 by 6. That means we are getting the 3. Then 3 1s are 3. Now 18 we divide by 9. So 2 we will get 2. 9 2s are 18. So 2 2s are 4. So our answer is 18. Then 3 plus 4, it is 7. Okay, done. I hope your answer and my answer is same. Now let's come the subtraction. At first we will find the LCM 10 and 15 because both are composite number. 10 and 15. So we are divide by 5, we can divide by 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So 2 into 3 into 5. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay. 4 by 15. So 30 minus then 30. We are getting the LCM. We already got the LCM 30. Now 30 we divide by 10. So 3 10s are 30. So 7 3s are 21. Again 15 30 we divide by 15. So we will get the 2. So 2 4s are 8. Now 30. Then we subtract 21 minus 8. What will be the answer? That means answer is 13, right? If you want to do, you can do 11 minus 8 is 3, then here 13. So that means 13. So our answer is 13 by 30. Now collect your homework. Homework now 40. Exercise 8.8. page 101. From problem nong 1 you will do 2 and 3, and problem nong 2 you will do 3 and 9. You will submit your homework to your respective subject teacher. Inshallah, again we will meet in next class. Up to that, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.